Hello everyone. This is my transcription workflow, and this is your social media VA. This is the step by step process for accurate video transcription. First is step one is to prepare the creator list. Start by creating a list of columns to all of the creators to work on, their names, their followers, the social media handles, and in a spreadsheet. That's it. Step two. Um, Step two is add the video links that add each creator video links and a video link that provided to you by the client, and visit their profiles to make sure links are correct. So you need to check the profiles, the followers, and etc. So, in the step three, um, wait. Step three is collect profile and information. So, um, you need to visit their profiles, all the creators, then record the follower counts and other key. So, and it helps track engagement and creator size. So it will help you to more organize. So step four is search on the Google Instagram to MP4. So you need to search. For example, this one, I provide a picture. So Instagram to MP4, then I select the Save Insta Free. So you need only to choose a trusted website that doesn't require to log in your Instagram. So make it sure that it's a trusted website because you need to download the video. So step five is download the video, get the copy the link on the Instagram, then paste on the Insta save, then um, click the view, then download the video. Then the step six is before you transcript the video, you need to rename the video name so that it can easy to navigate and be searched. So if you want to go back in or you need to transcribe the video, then the step 7 is one of the longest part of this process because you need to transcribe the video, listen carefully, and watch the video multiple times. Carefully capture every spoken word for accuracy. This is the longest part of the process. So, my style is while the video plays, I'll personally take down notes. I have a notebook and pen so that I can take the notes, the videos, the transcription of the videos. Then, step 8, sorry for that. Step 8 is you need to add add to Google Docs. All the type the final transcription into Google Docs. Keep formatting clean and organized. So that's it. So I if once I finish the one video, I finish the video transcribe. I type it on the Google Docs. So that's it. You can add also the time stamp of the video. So the step 9. So after you finish the Google Docs typing on the Google Docs, add the Google Docs link on the transcription column tab of the spreadsheet that you made. So that's it. Then so on you just repeat the process to the same creator. Then that's it. Then then you're done with your tasks. So steps 8 is final is send the spreadsheet the final output to your client. Then make it sure, correct, make it sure, uh, review it thoroughly, review the whole process, review the each link or each Google Sheet. If you have some mistakes and updates, and you need to update it. So that's one. So this is the summary for the summary workflow overview. So from creating the creator list to producing the final script, each step in the process is essential to ensure accuracy, consistency, and organization. So thank you. So thank you for watching, and I hope you find inspiration in my work. And this is Jaya Chaveda. This is my contact information. You can message me, or you can contact me, and if you have questions. That's all. Thank you, and God bless. Have a good day.